Hello student, today we will do question number 34 from miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT math books class 12. So without further ado, let's get started. We have to find integration of this. So here we will use a property of a definite integration. So first we will check this is fx is equal to given x to the power 17 cos 4x, this is, and if minus x, if we put, then this will be minus x to the power 17 cos 4 minus x. So this will be negative because power is 17, so minus x 17, and cos minus is positive and power is also 4, so this will be cos 4x. So this is minus fx. So integration of this by using property of definite integration of this will be 0. This is proved. I hope you must have understood the solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.